So what's up guys, welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today we're looking at hotkeys.js, a robust JavaScript library for capturing keyboard input and key combinations entered. It has no dependency. Try to press your keyboard, the following button will highlight. So as you can see, if I go ahead and press my keyboard, the different buttons are going to be highlighted on here. So yeah, this is an interesting feature for those who want to have like shortcuts or shortcut keys work equally on websites. For example, they already work on your desktop or your Windows system or your Mac system, where you get to press Control C for copy and Control V for paste. You can equally have such features onto your websites where users get to press some shortcuts to get somewhere or maybe to perform a specific action. So this precise library is going to allow you to do just that, integrated into your website. I'll note equally here that it's not a common practice to have shortcuts on websites. It's really not a common practice, but definitely if you feel like it's something that could work for you, then you want to check it out. So it's pretty straightforward. You want to head on to this website, this URL here, and check it out. They offer you a keyboard where you can press the different key combinations to see how they work, or to see them highlighted to prove to you that it's receiving the inputs, and then you can define the features. Easily install it with this command and implement it with this as well. Yeah, so it's pretty straightforward. You can equally integrate it using a CDN, and yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Browser compatibility, you can see here the browser has the supported keys. You see the hotkeys. It understands. I feel like it's not everything that it's going to understand, but you understand, I guess, a good number of them that you can work with. And so this is how you can define the shortcuts. Simple line, you define the shortcuts and you define how the functionalities are going to work. You can implement a lot of coding and a lot of logic into how the shortcuts are going to react. So it's a very interesting library, which is going to allow you to do something quite unique on websites. Yeah, so definitely check it out. There's really nothing much going on with this library. It's like a single page. It's all of the website, and there are no other menus aside from the GitHub repositories. And yeah, you can easily implement shortcuts onto your website. So it's an interesting library you might definitely want to check out. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.